Welcome to the captivating city of Beijing, where ancient history and modern innovation coalesce in a symphony of wonder. Join us on an extraordinary journey through the heart of China's cultural capital. Step into the pages of history as we explore Beijing's treasures, from the magnificent Forbidden City, a testament to imperial grandeur, to the serenity of the Temple of Heaven. Marvel at the majestic Great Wall, a marvel of human engineering that stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of ancient China. Lose yourself in the charming hutongs, where tradition thrives in narrow alleyways. Delight in Beijing's culinary delights, where street food becomes an art form and the world-renowned Peking duck reigns supreme. Join us on a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience Beijing's modern face as we journey through its contemporary skyline. Witness the city's evolution as towering skyscrapers coexist harmoniously with historical landmarks. Immerse yourself in Beijing's cultural richness at the tranquil Summer Palace, a retreat fit for emperors. Explore the avant-garde spirit of the 798 Art District, where creativity knows no bounds. As the sun sets, Beijing's skyline transforms into a mesmerizing tableau of lights and colors. Join us for a panoramic view of the city's magic, a moment that captures the essence of Beijing's allure. Whether you're a history aficionado, an art lover, a culinary explorer, or simply curious to immerse yourself in a rich culture, Beijing promises an unforgettable odyssey. Hit that like button, share the beauty with fellow adventurers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.